Hey everyone, welcome to Guide How to Check When Someone Was Last Online on Discord. Let's dive right in. Here are the simple steps. Tap the Discord app icon to open it. Navigate to the Messages tab by tapping the message icon at the bottom of the screen. Select the person whose online status you want to check. Note that Discord does not provide direct access to see when someone was last online. It only displays the time of their last message to you. You can also see if they are online or offline. To check this, look at their profile icon at the top left of the screen. Within the profile icon, a small icon will indicate their status. A yellow moon means the person is offline. A green mobile or circle means the person is online. Now you know how to check if someone is online or offline on Discord. And there you have it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.